Today we're in a Chrysler Pacifica and we're going to show you how to pair your phone to the wireless Apple CarPlay. Now there's a few different ways to do it. The easiest way we found is to click on the phone button down here. And if you haven't paired a phone before, there isn't one stored in there, you will get this menu. But in the chance that there already is one stored into the vehicle, what you're going to want to do is select the device manager down here. So then from there, you're going to see in the bottom left corner, you've got add device. So go ahead and select add device. And then you're going to want to start the searching process for the Bluetooth. So go ahead and search for Bluetooth devices. And now if it doesn't pop up your name with your phone on there right away, what you might have to do is go back to your telephone. So we're going to look at our settings menu here. So the little gray cog wheel on here. And then the third menu down is going to say Bluetooth. So if you go ahead and select Bluetooth on there, now at the very bottom, other devices, you will see the UConnect System, but if it doesn't pop up, again, we can go back to our screen here, and then we're going to see Adam's iPhone. So go ahead and select iPhone. And so again, if it doesn't pop up on your phone, you can click it on the screen here, which will then start the pairing process. So we're going to see a pin on the screen, and then we're also going to see a pin over here on our phone. So if those both match, go ahead and select pair. Then it will ask you if you want to allow your contacts and favorites to be synced. You can go ahead and allow that. And now we're going to get one more prompt over here on our phone before we go back to the screen. So we'll say connecting to wireless Apple CarPlay, or you may also have to confirm that the pins match on the screen. So as long as that is working, now it's going to ask you, do you want to connect to Apple CarPlay? So go ahead and select OK, and then it will say follow the instructions on your device. So we're going to go back to our phone one more time. So this will say connect to CarPlay. So go ahead and select connect. And now that's going to start the wireless pairing for the Apple CarPlay. So what's really cool from there, it will pop up and then it gives you text messaging, Google Maps, Spotify. It's all going to be built right into here. It makes it really easy to not be messing with your phone when you're on the go. And if you are having trouble with this, again, you can go onto your phone and see it at the bottom or just research the system. Sometimes turning the vehicle on and off again can help find the Bluetooth device. But from there, you got wireless CarPlay, you're all set to go.